So friends, you can see in my hand, this is a MacBook, a 2013 model. And inside it, I've installed macOS Ventura. Actually, this MacBook is an unsupported MacBook, but I've managed to install Ventura on it. In this video, I'll show you how to install macOS Ventura on an unsupported Mac. This video is going to be very important for those who want to install macOS Ventura on an unsupported Mac, so make sure to watch it until the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. You'll see the subscribe icon. Just press it so you get notifications for such tech videos. To do this process, you need two things: a stable internet connection and a 16 GB pen drive. And a little bit of patience is also necessary. So friends, here you can see I'm using a 2014 iMac, and it's running macOS Big Sur, which was its last official update. No updates were provided after that. First, you need to open any browser. After opening the browser, you need to access this website. The link to the website is provided in the description below. Once you're on the website, download the OpenCore Patcher app. After the download is complete, click to open it. It will extract, so wait for a bit. You'll see the OpenCore Patcher application. Drag and drop it to the desktop. Now open the application. Click on Open, then go to Settings. Click on Update, then select your Mac model. Click Yes, then go to Options. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced Options. Then select version 13.1 from the drop-down. At this stage, choose the model that's officially capable of running Ventura. For example, I'm using a MacBook Pro 13.3, but you can select up to 14 or 15 depending on your model. Then click on Generate Serial Number for your MacBook. After that, click Return to go back to the main page. Now click on Build and Install OpenCore. Click on Install to Disk and wait for a bit. Select your disk, then select the EFI partition. Enter your MacBook's password and click OK. Click OK again. Now restart your MacBook. Click on Reboot, then click Reboot again. Your MacBook will restart. Enter your MacBook's password again and press Enter. Now open the OpenCore Patcher again. Click on Create macOS Installer. Click on Download and wait for a bit. You'll see version the 3rd of April 2013 here. In the future, it might update, so select macOS Ventura 13 in docx. The download time depends on your internet speed. Wait until the download is complete. Once downloaded, it will validate. Wait for it. Enter your MacBook's password again and click OK. The extraction will start. Wait for it to finish. Click Yes, then insert a minimum 16 GB pen drive into your MacBook. Once the pen drive appears, select it and press Enter. Click Yes, enter your MacBook's password again, and click OK. Wait until the process completes. It might take some time. After it's done, click on Install to Disk. Select your pen drive, then select the folder. Enter your MacBook's password and click OK. Wait for a bit, then click Reboot to restart your MacBook. Before it restarts, hold the Option key on your keyboard. When you see the OpenCore logo, click on it and select Continue. Select the last option, which will be macOS Ventura, and press Enter. Wait until macOS Ventura boots up. On this screen, select your disk from the description. From the drop-down, select Show All Devices. Select your MacBook's main drive and click on it. Name the disk Macintosh HD and select APFS or GUID format. Click on it and wait for the process to complete. Click Done, then close YouTube or any other app. Click on Install macOS Ventura and then Continue. Click Agree, then click Agree again. Select the Macintosh HD disk and click Continue. The installation might take 30 minutes to an hour. Wait patiently. Your MacBook might restart several times during the process. Don't worry, just wait. Once the installation is complete, set up your MacBook as per your preferences. After everything is done, open the OpenCore Patcher again. Click OK, then click Install to Disk. Wait for a bit. Select your MacBook. Then select the EFI folder. Enter your MacBook's password and click OK. Click Reboot and then Start. Your MacBook will restart. Wait for it. Enter your MacBook's password again and press Enter. Open the OpenCore Patcher tool again. Click on Post-Installation Root Patches, and then click on Start Root Patching. Enter your MacBook's password and click OK. Wait for a bit, then click Reboot and start again. Your MacBook will restart and boot up. Enter your password again and press Enter. If you followed all the steps correctly, macOS Ventura will be fully installed on your MacBook. So, let me know how you liked this video and the information I shared. If you found it helpful, please like the video and share it. I'll meet you in the next video with another topic. Till then, goodbye.